As we've gotten older, Chris has gotten a little bit more frugal in his older age.
Pickleball people that I play pickleball with, and they're both named Karen. You're such a Karen. No, I'm not. Stop yeah, you are. Stop it.
Or we'll hire someone. I'm not about to hire someone for something that I can do. She says, what about this? She pointed out a DA orbital polisher. I said, yeah, pretty nice, but they're 120 bucks. She says, well, this one's on sale. I looked a little bit closer, and sure enough, it was down to $35. Well, that'd be nice to have. Well, why don't you go down and pick it up? Okay. Shelley and I really do enjoy helping part of our communities any chance we get. And it doesn't happen that often that we get the opportunity. But this is one of those times. One of our friends, viewers, followers, subscribers, came in need of someone to help him tow the rig, so we offered. We have the truck that's powerful enough to do it, and we've done it before. So we gave him a hand, and this is a little bit of that move. It was very entertaining. It was a whole lot of fun for us, and I hope it was fun for him. Thank you, John. We appreciate everything you've done for us. So this is Mesa Spirit. It's an okay park, but holy cow, they definitely give you some stuff to have to fight around.
And these days, he sometimes needs a little extra urging to get something that'll make things a little easier on him.
And as for getting into your space, oh my gosh.
Today, he's out helping a friend.
Look at how close that cable box and the light pole is. And not only that, but look how narrow the streets are. And that's what we're going to be moving today. I haven't been at this park since we retired from the department. Get it hard. I'm gonna have, well, you might be okay. Keep coming back, keep coming back, coming back, keep coming back. Okay, now you're going to want to adjust the height of your pin. Looks like you're going to have plenty of room. Yeah, it's going to do really well. Yep, you cleared everything. On my way.
I know that it's fun for him. Well, both of them.
Hey man, I like your truck.
Yeah, nice job. The only time I've ever made contact with my rails was my hitch was mounted a little lower than I would have liked in the bed, and we were making a real sharp turn uphill.
Yeah.
And it it touched, and it didn't cause any damage to the trailer, but it damaged I had a
plastic.
plastic, and then I had a bedline railing that bent.
That guy's been at Monte Vista and at
I've seen him.
at Meridian. Oh, jeez.
I got there. The problem was I was with my mom. She can't walk very much.
Yeah.
So we're limited. Why don't you get out?
Alrighty.
And I'll let you.
Jackknifing.
Sharper.
Let me go forward a little more.
Straighten it out. Keep coming. There you go. Straighten it out. All the trail. Yeah. Got your stop. You have to pull ahead. A little bit. Right. Yeah, go around. Alright. Straighten up. All of it. Keep coming. Yep, you're doing good. Keep going. How far back do you want to go? You're clear of everybody here. Stop.
Keep coming. You're doing alright. Keep coming. Okay, follow me now. Start following. Follow. Yep, you're doing good. Keep coming. You're doing good.
Should I leave it there?
Yep, leave it there.
Okay. So does the guy live here in the winter? Pickleball people that I play pickleball with, and they're both named Karen. I'm like, you're such a Karen. I'm like, no, I'm not.
Stop
yeah,
it.
you are.
Stop it.
How about I just stop it? Sure you will.
That's fine.
Anyway, thanks a lot. I
You're very welcome, boss.
really appreciate
No problem.
this for me. Let me grab my keys in the back.
Okay.
I think that's it. Perfect.
Looks like the boys, Chris and Grizz, had a visitor fly in.
Eso es. Habla. Escucha mi ventana. Sí, sí. Yo te traigo. Si yo te traigo, mamá, yo te traigo.
So, I have been busting my backside working on polishing that RV. My back is literally killing me. And Shelly didn't miss a thing. She can see that it's tough work, and she tries to discourage me, saying we'll take care of it another time when you're feeling better, or we'll hire someone. I'm not about to hire someone for something that I can do. So she started asking questions, polishers, stuff like that. The one that I borrowed is probably 30 years old. It's heavy, it's awkward. He says, "What's this?" Looking at the computer, and it's Harbor Freight. And I said, yeah, they've got fairly good tools, even better nowadays. She says, "What about this?" She pointed out a DA orbital polisher. I said, yeah, pretty nice, but they're 120 bucks. She says, well, this one's on sale. I looked a little bit closer, and sure enough, it was down to $35. Well, that'd be nice to have. Well, why don't you go down and pick it up? Okay. Always a chance to get a new tool. So I went over, and they had about 5 or 6 of them left. They were going like hotcakes, of course. Brought it back, got online, looked up some YouTube videos on how to make it better. Said the number one thing to do is to change the grease in it. And I thought, oh, that would be easy enough. Saw the video on how to do it. Went ahead, took it apart, put new red and tacky grease inside. The thing really quieted down and seemed to run a whole lot smoother. The other thing they said was get a new backing plate, one that's balanced. Well, maybe in a few days we'll pick one up. But right now, that's cut my workload almost in half. It's still not a whole lot of fun doing it, but it's much easier than it was before. I've got an amazing wife. What do you think, buddy? Now, this is the picture of a content little hound. Grizzy is my dutiful, patient helper. He's constantly making things easier for me. And right now, he's just kind of being his hammy self. Thanks, Grizzle. Take a look at that amazing shine. That's just from compounding. We haven't even waxed it yet. How beautiful it looks. I'm impressed. Kitty, thanks, baby. What a little stinker pie. What you thinking? Huh?
Nice, sweetheart.
Pretty boy. You're a big help, buddy. So this is what I started with. I mean, it did the job, but it's heavy and it's awkward and it's cumbersome. And my back's been killing me since I started using it. And it's hard to find these pads. Only get them at Harbor Freight, I guess. This one had come with it, but it's so old, the elastic is pretty much shot in it. This is the new one. It's from Harbor Freight. It's called a Bauer. And after the little mod that I did to it by taking this head apart and filling it with red and tacky grease, it's much smoother and doesn't seem as loud, but I'm sure it probably still is. And I've got a medium cutting pad on it so that I can get some of the stuff that's stuck on the side of this RV off. So we're going to go give it a try and see how it works. I like it. I like it a lot. This thing seems to take all the pressure off my back. We'll see. A lot left to do.
To all our patrons, your contributions are helping to make this channel possible. Chris thanks you for the new polisher. And for everyone who shares their Sunday afternoons with us right here on OLT, you are all amazing. Please, travel safe.